Hello, ako dahil si Biniji Clemente and I am willing to give my life testimony as how did God change my life. So first, actually after I graduated high school, nag-stop ko 1 year and I thought I find the reasons kung unsa man mangitag reason para may rason jud ko nga mag-stop og eskwela. So I tried to play computer games niya. I became really addicted. So 1 year actually si kuya ko kay gabantay mag-computer and then ako myself mas na excite pa jud ko nga magsabay na lang sa iya. We both stopped for a year actually and then from 6 siguro mo adto kog computeran and muuli na mga 8 siguro sa umaga, then that whole night magdula lang may computer games and I used to sleep there. Nya muli na lang ko sa balay, matulog na lang ug balik the same habit every day. And then I thought really na heaven na to siya and nakasulti pa gani ko nga magtigulang na lang ko dito. But one day came, it was October, nahurot tanan akong giipunan, tanan niya efforts na ako dito sa dula, nawala tanan, and then pagkaugma I really said to myself nga wala day makasatisfy. Oh my, what everything tanan, what happened? Grabe kayo akong pag-regret ato. And then it just came to my life nga I chat sa akong chemistry teacher, not knowing he is a pastor. And then I said to him na grabe kayo akong akong mga na-feel karon, so down ako karon, but and then he invited me to his church and then he shared the gospel to me. And actually during that time I was really not that transformed. So I still play Dota, nagdula Japon, kagpulaw Japon, pero gasimban ako. And then until February, it was really so amazing. I was just simply singing the song, this is the song, Worthy is the Lamb. Thank you for that cross, oh God. Thank you for that cross, Lord. And then everything just came into my mind na nakita na ko akong sarili nga hugaw kaayo. And then I hated everything nga akong gipanghimo tanan jud. And then I trusted to the Lord everything, every part of my life, and I repented of my sins and believed in Him only. And then that started my conversion, and I fell on my knees and crying to Him everything that I could imagine is sin. So it was really changed. Pagkaugma and the following weeks and following months, gadimad ako sa church namo nga na ay adlaw-adlaw na ay prayer ta, and prayer meeting should be one, tapos dalawa dapat ang sermon. It's like that. Tapos it's so amazing na it was changed directly. I actually testified this testimony on the school with hundreds of students. Tapos oh my, they were shocked like, kaning bata nga perti ka addict sa una, and they were amazed really. And you know, if we only trust the Lord and we stop living on ourselves, wala dyan makasatisfy sa kaning kalibutan na. Only Christ, only kay gibayaran ni Christ ang atong masala. Only Him can satisfy our lives, can satisfy this life that we are living. And now I am living to Him, and I'm living Him, and is now active in our ministry, in our school. I'm really thankful to Him. And now that is my life testimony. I hope that it will inspire many more people. Come to Christ. Stop living on your own. No one can ever, nothing can satisfy in this world, only Christ.